In order to get a consistent set of imagery for our growing 2A history project, we draw cartoons of Second Amendment advocates. We draw these live during our daily gun show podcast and sometimes in multi-hour marathon live chats we call 2A media workshops. Our goal is to share the skills and techniques and the software that we use to create these and to inspire others to create Second Amendment content. In this series, we'll speed up the drawing of these cartoons so it's almost animated, and we'll focus on the activists and the projects that they represent. And today we're going to draw Frank Fiamingo, and I swear some of these people I do know, but Frank's another that I don't, so I'm not going to have too much to add here, other than he's one of the founder of the New Jersey Second Amendment Society, so NJ2AS, and he was the president of the organization for 5 years. And in 2015, he stopped being the president, and I think I may have heard an interview as I was researching, but of course the New Jersey Second Amendment Society does a lot of work, so we wanted to include that in the 2A History Project, and one aspect of each organization is the founders, and that's where we discovered Frank and added him to the project. So if you know more about Frank or you want to add something, please do in the comments. Start a conversation, and create a content of your own, a blog post or a video. The goal is to keep conversation and awareness growing and happening. So in other videos we'll probably have more to say about the activists or the organizations, but we are definitely fans of our friends in New Jersey, Tony from 2A4E and the Gun for Hire range out there. So let us know in the comments what you think, and as always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.